Today, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Sony A7 III. First, we have the usual paperwork, warranty, user manual, and some quick start guides. Next up, we have the camera strap with the Sony branding. This is the camera lens that we will get to later. It also comes with a lens hood. Here's the Sony A7 III itself. Here's the MP5Z100 battery, Sony's upgraded battery for longer shooting time. It also includes a USB wall plug and a micro USB power cable to charge the camera. The Sony A7 III has a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor. Perfect balance between resolution and low light performance. 693 points of autofocus systems that cover 93% of the frame, super fast and accurate. 4K video at 30 frames per second, downsampled from 6K for sharp, detailed footage. Dual SD card slots, great for backups and extended shooting. 5-axis in-body stabilization, reduces camera shake for smoother photos and videos. 10 frames per second continuous shooting, perfect for capturing fast motion. The camera has a USB 3 Type-C port and a micro USB port. Let's look at some sample footage. The A7 III has improved battery life and is now rated approximately 710 shots per charge. The kit comes with a 28 to 70mm full-frame lens. This kit lens is a great starter lens. It's lightweight, has optical stabilization built in, and it covers a pretty versatile zoom range. The lens hood snaps right onto the front of the lens. It helps block out stray light to reduce lens flare. Also, it adds a little bit of protection for the front of the lens. To use this camera, you're going to need a good SD card. And I highly recommend something like the SanDisk Extreme Pro. This card is super reliable with read speeds up to 170 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 90 megabits per second. Perfect for handling the A7 III's high-quality 4K video recording and burst shooting without any lag. While we're gearing up, here's something else you might want to grab right away, a lens protector. The lens protector screws on the front of your lens. It protects the glass from scratches, dust, and fingerprints. And of course, you need something to carry all your gear safely, like the Sony camera bag. It's got padded dividers to keep your camera, lenses, and accessories organized and protected. If you're picked up a A7 III, definitely invest in a good bag and some basic protection gear. I'll leave links to all the essentials down below if you want to check them out. The Sony A7 III is a fantastic investment. You get amazing image quality, reliable autofocus, and a great battery life, all in a solid compact body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.